And I'm saying that Wiper will be ready to enter into a cooperation agreement with both KANU and Jubilee when that time comes. But we are open. We are open to that. But right now, of course, we are guided by the provisions of the coalition agreement we have within NASA. We had our NEC meeting, which was virtual, and I can tell you that just to indicate how things have changed, we had a record attendance on virtual when we convened the National Executive Council of Wiper. And we agreed that we need to be able to open negotiations and be able to move in that direction. So we already set, but the only thing is we need to look at the legalities of this issue. We have an existing coalition agreement within NASA, and then the need also to promote national cohesion. We are looking into this, and it doesn't necessarily mean you kill opposition in this country. Far from it.